Have you ever asked yourself, why do some people enter Ramadan full of energy and faith, while others struggle to change? Have you ever wondered why some of your bad habits keep coming back, no matter how hard you try? What if I told you that you can break your bad habits before Ramadan starts and step into this holy month with a fresh, pure heart? Yes, today we are going to learn how to leave your bad habits behind and prepare your mind, body, and soul for the blessings of Ramadan. Stay with me, because this video could change the way you live, not just this Ramadan, but for your whole life. Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Ramadan is not just a month of fasting. It is a month of transformation. It is a month where you have the chance to leave behind what harms you and embrace what brings you closer to Allah. But here is the truth. Many of us enter Ramadan with the same old habits. We might struggle with anger, laziness, gossip, bad eating habits, wasting time online, or even small sins we keep ignoring. The question is, how do we stop these habits before Ramadan starts? How do we enter this month of mercy, not with guilt, but with strength, focus, and determination? First, we need to understand what a bad habit really is. A bad habit is anything that pulls you away from Allah, anything that harms your soul, your mind, or even your body. It could be lying, wasting time, overeating, gossiping, or even being careless in your prayers. Here's the key. Habits are formed slowly, but they can be broken slowly too. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The strong person is not the one who overcomes others, but the one who overcomes his own desires." So, if you want to enter Ramadan strong, you must first face your own habits. Ask yourself honestly, which habits are stopping me from being the best version of myself? Write them down, see them clearly. Naming your habits is the first step to breaking them. Let me give you a small example. Imagine a person who constantly watches useless videos online until late at night. Every morning he wakes up tired, misses prayers, and feels guilty. This habit started slowly. But before Ramadan, he can make a choice. He can decide, I will not waste my night. I will sleep early, wake up for Fajr, and read Quran. One small decision can change everything. You see, habits are like seeds. If you water the wrong ones, they grow. But if you remove them and plant good seeds, your life will blossom. Breaking habits starts in the mind. You must believe that change is possible. Many people fail because they focus only on willpower. But the truth is, willpower alone is not enough. You need a mindset that says, I am not a slave to my habits. I am a servant of Allah. I can change. Visualize yourself in Ramadan, praying on time, reading Quran, helping others, controlling anger, speaking kindly. Ask yourself, how will my life be if I leave this bad habit now? When you change your mind, your actions will follow. Allah helps those who sincerely try. Remember, no effort is wasted. Every small step you take now will be rewarded in Ramadan. Now let's talk about the practical steps you can take. Here are some tips you can start before Ramadan. Replace, don't just remove. If you stop a habit without replacing it, your mind feels empty. Replace bad habits with good ones. For example, if you stop gossiping, replace it with helping someone or making dhikr. Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one habit at a time. If it's anger, focus on controlling that. If it's overusing social media, reduce it slowly. Make a plan. Write down your habit, why it's harmful, and what you will do instead. Make a step-by-step plan. Remove triggers. Bad habits happen because of triggers. If you overeat when watching TV, change your environment. If you waste time online, uninstall apps or set limits. Accountability. Tell a friend or family member about your goal. Ask them to remind you, encourage you, or even check on you. You are not alone in this. Make dua and seek Allah's help. Nothing works without Allah's guidance. Say, "Oh Allah, Help me leave this habit before Ramadan. Make me strong, disciplined, and closer to you. Remember, Allah loves when His servants try to improve themselves. Let me share another example. Imagine a person who gets angry easily. Every small mistake from others makes him shout or argue. He knows it is wrong, but he keeps doing it. Before Ramadan, he can practice controlling anger. When he feels the first sign of anger, he can pause, take a deep breath, and say softly, Astaghfirullah. Slowly, he will notice a change. This is how small steps create big results. Your habits do not disappear instantly, but if you work daily, your bad habits will shrink and good habits will grow. Breaking habits is not just physical, it is spiritual. Increase your remembrance of Allah. Say Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar throughout the day. Read Quran daily.